Why are fighter pilots permanently shorter after ejecting from their aircraft? When you pull the ejection handle, the seat fires like a cannon. You accelerate from 0 to 60 feet per second in just 0.2 seconds. That's 12 to 22 Gs hammering straight up your spine. Here's the problem. Your pelvis is strapped to the seat pan, so it moves first. Your head and torso weigh more and lag behind because of inertia. The spine between them gets crushed like a spring. The T10 through L2 vertebrae take the full impact. That's the thoracolumbar junction, where your rigid rib-supported spine meets your flexible lower back. It's the anatomical weak point. The front of each vertebra compresses into a wedge shape. Pilots lose 0.5 to 1.5 inches of height instantly. You survive because your back breaks. That's the price of escape.